Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in the news today, we have the end of Skype. Yes, Skype is being removed today. It was interesting, it had an interesting run, basically. So what happened is, first of all, if you go to the Microsoft website to Skype, it says goodbye Skype, hello Teams, and it tells you how to export data from Skype to Teams and so on. It tells you that it's now impossible to get it. So the Skype service stopped, and Skype was released in August of 2003. It's a mix of Swedish, Danish, and Estonian developers, and then it was sold to eBay a couple of years later. In September of 2005, Microsoft acquired the platform in May of 2011, paying $8.5 billion for it. And what is interesting is that at the time, if you remember, everybody was on Windows Live Messenger. Yep, Windows Live Messenger. That was very popular, actually. Windows Live Messenger was the app everybody was using back in the day to communicate. Microsoft had a big win with that. And they lost it all with Skype. It's very interesting. When they pushed everybody from Windows Live Messenger to Skype, people just said, well, no, I don't like this. And pretty much people moved on to other platforms. And, of course, there's so many things people can either chat on or do conferencing on. One of the most popular right now is Windows Messenger, Facebook Messenger, sorry. Facebook Messenger has pretty much taken the chat side of things. Of course, there's WhatsApp. That also is very popular. And so Skype, what I find the most interesting and shows how Microsoft has missed an opportunity here is when the pandemic hit, a company that nobody had heard of suddenly took center stage, Zoom. And Zoom was what everybody was using. Yet, we already had things that could do that. Skype partly was capable of doing some of the things of, having several people in a conference. And it seems Microsoft completely missed the boat with that. And so there's so many today that and people they don't even go to Teams. They go to Zoom. Maybe some business users are on Teams, but most of them are on Zoom today. It's pretty interesting to see that all of that's happening. So it had a run with Microsoft of 14 years. And, it was announced, of course, we hadn't made a video about this. It was announced that it was going to be removed and it was going to shut down the service. So it is happening today, May the 5th, 2025. Bye-bye, Skype. And, there are other alternatives out there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.